water on it. Yeah. That wasn't that up before. Just do 2 minutes on each side. Oh, she's spitting. For some reason it's giving me like steak smells, which is really odd because they're vegetables, but it smells like what a steak smells like. When maybe it's the olive oil, don't know why, but it just, yeah, I'm getting steak vibes, which is great because I love steak and I can't eat it anymore because veggie life. Oh, yummy! The zucchini was meant to be a snack. I don't know whether to put it into this though. Whoa! I feel like I'm babysitting my zucchini. Oh my god. That is amazing. I'm not even joking here, I just tried one, it melted in my mouth. It's a really nice snack, but I did put too much salt on. But like, it's gone. They look like, okay, it doesn't look appetising, does it? Damn, why can't I make my food look good? These are quite mouldy, actually. I don't want to throw them in the bin. I think I'm just going to eat them. Wouldn't try that at home though. People that are dying in the world, I'm sure I will survive. Slightly stale mushroom. That normally sits on my over there. She's come to join me today. Hello. Quick update, managed to get it on me and on Keisha. So doing well so far. Wasn't expecting it to... Oh dear. I don't know how I managed to do it. Every single time I eat something, this sort of event occurs. Look, the parrot's whistling now. I really hope you can hear that. And, oh, there it is. So I'm conscious that this is a food video and I'm talking a lot, but I'm lacking talking, guys. Forgive me. I'm sorry. I've got too many carrots here. I've been eating for a while now and I've still got a lot left. Can't tell I'm actually hungry. I'm going to power through because they're going off basically. I'm just realising now that this is not a good angle, is it really? But it's really comfy. That's a sound I haven't heard before. Must be a parrot. Oh, I haven't actually mentioned there's a bird thing, sanctuary. But if they're rescued or anything like that, I don't know if they're just there to look at, which I don't really agree with. That's why there's always noises going on, which I'm really gonna miss actually. Because obviously move out in July, different variety of birds, locked in cages. Getting tired of my own voice here. I don't know why I feel the need to talk so much in these. Like, no one asked for it. Let the people listen to the birds. Some carrots going off, so I'm just going to make some carrot fries. Oh, they're really slimy. Oh, gross. I'm still going to have them though, because I'm not going to throw all of that away. I'm going to put them in a bowl. Olive oil, salt. I'll show you when I do it, but I'm just showing you now anyway. Oregano, garlic, and herbs. And if you've got paprika, black pepper, and anything else you want to season it with. Mix it all up. I'm going to put in some fake chicken now. The carrots are a little bit char grilled. Bag and this bag filled with stuff. Running out of chia seeds, so I got them. This is all going to be in a really random order, by the way. And I got dark chocolate to kind of stop me from guzzling it all in one go. Bean sprouts, so like this spaghetti type stir fry thing. Vegetable quarter pounders. I'm going to go quickly because otherwise this is really boring. This to have in place of pancakes if I'm being lazy. Pomegranate, amazing, but so difficult to get the seeds out. Sweet corn, tomatoes, I prefer the bigger ones. Onions, that's a carrot. These are the onions. Oh, I love these. Frozen fruits, finding out of that. This is a bit different, I prefer the Tesco one. Corn pieces, I've actually got quite a lot here. Lentil bites, they look healthy, although I don't know if they are. Now bread, which I will most likely eat in one go. Oh, the devil's food. This stuff is not nice, but it's so good for you. I'm going to try and disguise it in something. I don't know what yet though. Sunflower seeds, because they're high in protein. I can have it in my porridge. Along with the chia seeds, because you can't really taste it. And then I got these, because they're so good. This is just as a snack. This is most likely because I was hungry when I was shopping. Mayonnaise, you know, main sauce for bean sprouts and kale, maybe. Blueberries to this was on offer. Love that sauce. Mozzarella, load of pasta. Yeah, that's everything. Whew. £20. And I will put the receipt. Yes, you can look at that in your own leisure.